Assalamu alaikum and welcome. I'm Dhahouri and this is Dhahouri Arts YouTube channel, bringing you tips, tools, and tutorials to help you grow into an authentic and skilled master of Islamic arts. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Dhahouri Arts. Now, let's get into drawing the accurate square with least lines and circles possible. First of all, start with drawing a horizontal line roughly in the middle of the paper. And make sure the line has a clear start and end points. Now, open your compass to a length of approximately 2/3 of the length of the line. Place the compass at the end of the line on the right and draw an arc at the top and the bottom as shown. Repeat the same by placing the compass on the left side of the line. Now, connect the intersected points at the top and the bottom by drawing a vertical line. Open your compass to the desired length of a square you want to create. For example, I want the total length of my square to be 8 centimeters. Therefore, I will be opening my compass to 4 centimeters. Place your compass at the center point of the square. And imagine you are drawing a whole circle, but in reality, only mark the intersection points on the vertical and horizontal lines. Place your compass on each of these intersections at a time and create the arcs as shown. Now, connect the points vertically and horizontally. Voila! Here is our accurate square. You can use this square as a base for both the fourfold and the sixfold family patterns, and you can check out this playlist for simple and easy tutorials I created for fourfold family patterns. I really hope you found this tutorial useful, and make sure you share with us your creations by tagging us on Dhahouri Arts on Instagram and Facebook. And make sure you subscribe for all new videos we're going to be putting out there. Until then, keep on creating. Salam!